Hi, cinnamon candied almonds are a real treat. A lot of you may have had them. A lot of you have probably seen them in the stores in the plastic cones or at the fair in the cones. They're delicious and they're super expensive in the store. So I'm going to show you how you can make your own at home. It's easy, quick, and simple list of ingredients here. So these are almonds are good for you, but these are definitely a sweet treat. So you need to eat them in moderation. Make them for friends as gifts or whatever. So I'm going to show you how we get this going. We need to get our pan on here. So first thing that we're going to need is a quarter cup of water. So we're going to put that in the pan. Now we're going to need half a cup of sugar. We're going to need 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. There we go. Now I'm going to turn my heat down just a bit. I'm going to mix this. Get that sugar dissolved. Now we're going to add 2 cups of plain almonds. And we're going to stir. Coat all these almonds. Once we get these coated, over on the stove I have a cookie sheet covered with parchment paper, and I've melted 2 teaspoons of butter and brushed the parchment paper good so our almonds won't stick to the cookie sheet. And you have to be careful with this because it's super hot sugar. Basically, just boiling the water out of it. Stirring constantly. You don't want it to burn. It reduces fairly quick. And I can't believe how much they want for these in the store. And as you can see, it's not real difficult. Just about got it. You can watch the sugar crystals forming on the almonds. Smells great. Turn my heat down a little bit more. So there we have it. Heat's off. Buttered parchment paper. And we'll spread our almonds all around. So they're not sticking. Now, we want to let them cool thoroughly. And you can put these in a container and they'll stay 2-3 weeks as long as it's airtight. If it's not airtight, then they won't be crunchy anymore. They'll get soft. So that's it for making candied cinnamon almonds. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you give it a shot. Check back on my YouTube channel for any new and upcoming videos. So enjoy your almonds and I'll catch you next time.